Using Plaid in budgeting apps is a secure and efficient way to connect your financial accounts and track your spending. Plaid is a financial technology company that provides a platform for users to link their bank accounts, credit cards, and other financial institutions to various apps and services. To get started, you will need to create an account with a budgeting app that integrates with Plaid. Once you have signed up, you will be prompted to link your financial accounts. This is where Plaid comes in, providing a secure and reliable way to connect your accounts. The first step is to search for your bank or financial institution in the Plaid database. Once you have found your bank, you will be asked to enter your login credentials. This information is encrypted and stored securely by Plaid, so you can rest assured that your data is protected. After you have linked your account, Plaid will sync your financial data with the budgeting app. This allows you to view your account balances, transactions, and other financial information in one place. You can then use this data to create a budget, track your spending, and set financial goals. One of the key benefits of using Plaid is that it provides real-time updates, so you can see how your spending is affecting your finances in real time. Additionally, Plaid supports over 10,000 financial institutions, so you can link multiple accounts and get a comprehensive view of your financial situation. To get the most out of Plaid, it is essential to regularly review and update your linked accounts. This ensures that your financial data is accurate and up to date, allowing you to make informed decisions about your money. You should also take advantage of the budgeting app's features, such as categorization and alerts, to help you stay on top of your finances. By following these steps and best practices, you can use Plaid to simplify your financial management and achieve your financial goals. With Plaid, you can easily connect your financial accounts, track your spending, and make informed decisions about your money.